Super Easy Drawings. Hello kids, welcome on Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a cute rainbow panda. Let's get started. Let's learn together how to draw a panda. At first, I'm going to draw his two cute eyes. Then his nose and mouth. Now I draw the shape of his head. And his two ears. I continue with his body, his arms, his belly, and his two legs. Now I'm going to use a thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I am not going to color these parts black like real pandas look like. I am going to use the colors of the rainbow instead. I start with red for his mouth. I color this part around his eyes orange. Then I use yellow for his ears. And a little light green. I use light blue for his head. Then light purple for his chest and arms. I color his tummy fuchsia. And finally, I use mint for his legs. If you like this video, do not hesitate to like it and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.